Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In the previous session, we have discussed about the calling a function. There are two types by which a function is called. The first one is called by value, that is known as passing by value, and the second one is called by reference, passing by reference. The call by value method of passing arguments to a function copies the value of actual parameters into the formal parameters. That is, the function creates its own copy of arguments, values, and then use them. Hence, any change made in the parameters in function will not reflect on actual parameters. So, call by value, we can also call it passing by value. The second is call by reference. Or passing by reference. What is call by reference or passing by reference? The call by reference method uses a different mechanism. In place of passing value to the function being called, a reference to the original variable is passed. This means that in call by reference method, the call function does not create its own copy of original values. Rather, it is refers to the original values only by different names, that is reference. Thus, the called function works the original data and any changes are reflected to the original values. So, the call by value means the passing arguments to a function copies the value of actual parameters. But in call by reference method, the call function does not create its own copy of original values. So passing parameters by reference, we will have a program for this. We'll write here hash include iostream.h. Here we write void duplicate integer ampersand a integer ampersand b integer ampersand c. Here we write a address of a is equal to 2, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 2. Close void main. Here int x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. Let's take z is equal to 7. Here duplicate x, y, and z. Cout x, x. y y z z. Here close, it will give us the output x is 2, y is equal to 6, and z is equal to 14. The ampersand here address of A is it specifies that their corresponding arguments are to be passed by reference instead of by the value. So this was about the two types of calling a function, call by value and call by reference. The rest will be discussed in the next. Thanks.